Hi, this is RajivKumarLuv and I welcome you to this video. In this video, I want to share a very powerful leadership lesson that you can learn from a Mobius Loop. But before I show you a Mobius Loop, I first want to show you a simple loop. So for a simple loop, you take a strip like this and then you join the two ends and you get a simple loop. So here I have a simple loop, and a simple loop has an inner edge and an outer edge. And when you move your finger, around the simple loop, the inner edge remains inside and the outside edge remains outside. Now, how do you make a Mobius loop? Again, you take a strip of paper like this. Now what you do is you give one twist and then you stick the two ends and you get a Mobius loop. I already have a Mobius loop ready with me here. Right? This is how a Mobius loop looks. Now, if you move your fingers, along this loop, the outer edge, you can see the outer edge. As I move my fingers, the outer edge at times becomes the, inner edge, and the inner edge at times will become the outer edge again, right? Here we have the outer edge. Now you may be wondering, what leadership lesson can one learn from the Mobius loop? So that's exactly what I'm going to share in this video. So keep watching. The Mobius loop gives a very powerful leadership message, and that is whatever is inside continually flows to help form or deform the world outside. And whatever is outside of us continually flows inside to help form or deform our lives. Your thoughts and feelings, that is your inner edge, influences your effectiveness as a leader, and your actions and interactions, that is your outer edge, helps shape your life. As you start to integrate your life and your leadership, then what happens? Your inner edge becomes your outer edge and your outer edge becomes your inner. The way you lead helps shape your life, and the way you live helps you lead. So become a better leader and lead a better life. And if you don't pay attention to the inner and the outer aspects of leadership, then you are going to lose your edge as a leader. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.